This question asks us to open modify ramps and create a ramp leading up to the center and front of the building as indicated in the photo. The ramp should be 36 inches wide. It should be 21 feet long. And it should start at level 0 and go up to level 1. Alright, to create a ramp, we select the ramp tool. And the way this creates the ramp, or this particular ramp, is the start point of the ramp is going to be its lowest point, and then as I draw the ramp out, it goes up to its next height, or it goes up to the highest point. So I will draw toward the front of the building, which is right here, the front center of the building. Okay, so I'm just going to draw it right there. Now what I do later is attach it to the building, but before I do that, I want to fix the length. So I'm going to click on that blue line right in the middle. And actually I can just click on the measurement and type in 21 feet. Okay. And then I would move it up to the building and straighten it out and things like that. However, for this activity, you don't have to actually do that, because all I want to know is, now that you stretched it out to 21 feet, what is the resultant slope of the roof. Okay, so slope meaning rise over run. So to get the slope, I want to look at this from a section view. Okay, and you see here, this is the beginning. Now, of course, we measure using the top surface of the ramp. That's where it starts at. It starts at level 0, goes up to level 1. So we know how high it goes. It goes 1 foot and 3/4 of an inch. But we're going to calculate that. We're going to go ahead and change it, all that to inch. And because what we are after in our figure is how much rise per inch we have. So I have got 12.75 inch rise divided by 21 feet, and this will give me the rise per foot, and it comes out to 0.0607 blah blah blah. Round that to the nearest 100th of an inch. Okay, and that will be 0.61. So your answer is 0.61.